Hey friends, you're back on Earth. A few days ago I posted a video about how to stay clean on the road, and part of that was jumping in cold lakes and rivers to kind of get a shower. But while doing research on that, I realized there's some other health benefits to jumping in cold bodies of water. And thanks to all your comments, I realized that I should do a little bit more research onto it. So today we're up at kind of an alpine waterfall. It's one of my favorite hikes in Washington, and we're going to take a dip into said waterfall to see how much it raises my heart rate. So yeah, right now I tried to kind of run up here. Right now we're at 132, so still fairly up there, but let's see if jumping in this waterfall when it's about 30 degrees outside can raise it even higher. Let's go, science time. Here it is. Oh. I can't really think about this one too much. Just gotta do it. Just gotta do it. All right, heart rate 132. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. The heart rate thing isn't staying on. Stay on. No, the heart rate monitor is not. Oh my God, the water's like screwing it up. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Measure. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Stay still. All right, fine. Oh. 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 Oh my God. I have 7 seconds left of footage. Yeah, we're still at 133, so okay. Yeah. Turns out not really worth it, I guess. I don't know. I feel okay. I might do that again, actually. But if you're trying to use this as a substitute to work out, don't try it. Okay, we'll see you next time on Earth. Have a good day.